lecture, what we have done, I have taught you division. Which division? Double digit divided by single digit. Okay. Today we are going to see triple digit divided by single digit. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So today we are going to see triple digit divided by single digit. I will write one sum. Suppose I have taken 432 divided by, suppose I have taken 5. Okay. So 432 divided by 2. So what I will do? First I will go with single digit. See 4. But for that what I have to see? I have to see the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3s are 15, 4s are 20, 5s are 25, 6s are 30. I have written this much. Okay. So 4. What you will see? First 4 you will see. But 4, see these two numbers. Okay. This is your dividend and this is your divisor. Okay. In last double digit I have told you which is dividend, which is divisor. Okay. Now here this is the dividend. Now we are going with single digit. First we will see. So we will go with, see, 5 ones is 5. But here 4 is the smaller number. 4 is smaller than 5. So what we have to do? We have to go with 5 zeros are 0. Okay. What we will take? We will take 5 zeros are 0. So I have taken 0. See children, same double digit, what method is there? That only same method goes for your triple digit also, 4 digit also. Okay, method is same. So here 4, then this 3 will come down, then I got 43. So now in this table you have to see whether 43 comes or not. Okay. So 5 8s are 40, 9s is 45. See, now we want 43. Here 45 is bigger than 43. So which number we will take? We will take 5 8s are 40. So I will take 5 8s are 40. So minus, then 3 0. Now this 2 will come down. Now which number I got? I got 32. Here we will divide both double digits. Here also we are dividing double digit. In first step we are taking with single digit. Okay. Then I got 32. I will see 32. See 32 is not coming. See here 35 is there. It is greater than 32. So what I will take? I will take 5 6 are 30. So subtraction minus is to 0. So our sum is completed and 2 is what? 2 is your remainder. Okay. 2 is your remainder. This is your quotient. Okay children. I hope you are clear with this triple digit divided by single digit. Okay. Now next we will go with our 4 digit divided by single digit. Okay. 4 digit divided by single digit. Suppose I am taking number, okay, 8436 divided by 4. For this I will see the table of 4. I am writing here so that it would be clear to you people. Okay. If once the method is clear, then you can do any sum of division. Okay. 4 5s are 20, 6 are 24, 28. Okay. So I will go with single digit. Now first I will see 8 whether it is coming in the table or not. So 4 2s is what? 8. So directly we got the number. So I will take here 4 2s are 8 minus then 0. Now this 4 will come down. Okay. Here single digit we got. So with single digit we are going. So 4 1s is what? 4 1s is 4. So I will take 4 1s are 4 minus 0. Now this 3 will come down. Now children, we got here 3. Okay, but in the table of 4, 4 1s is what? 4. So it is greater than this number. Okay, 4 is greater than 3. So what we will take? Again here 4 zeros are 0. What we will take? 4 zeros are 0 we will take, then minus, then 3. Now this 6 will come down. Now here we got double digit, 36 we got. Now we will see 36 is coming in the table of 4 or not. 4 9s is what? 36. Okay. So directly we got the number 4 9s are 36. So we will write 4 9s are 36 minus 0. So what is our answer? 8436 divided by 4 is your 2109. Okay children, this is your answer. I hope you are clear with this triple digit divided by single digit and 4 digit divided by single digit. Yes, so next sum I am taking, suppose 8756 divided by 2. Okay, so again same method, single digit we will go with our single digit 8. Now directly I am not writing the table children, okay, it is the table of 2. So all of you know the table of 2. So directly I am doing, so here what we will do, first we will see 8 is coming in the table of 2 or not. So 2 4s is what? 2 4s is 8 minus 0. Now this 7 will come down. Okay, now we will see 7 is coming or not. So 7 is not coming in the table of 2. Okay, so 2, what we will take? We will take smaller than 7. So smaller than 7, which number is there? 2 3s is what? 2 3s is 6. So we will take through 2 3s are 6 minus 1. Now this 5 will come down. Now again we got 15. Now 15 is also not coming in the table of 2. So what we will take? Again smaller than 15. Smaller than 15 is what? 2 7s are 14 minus 1 0. Now this 6 will come down. Okay, so I got here 16. Now we will see 16 is going in the table of not 2 or not. So 2 8s is what? 2 8s is 16. It was the easy sum. Okay, same way what we can do? We can do again, here 4 digit we have done, same method, with same method we can go with our 5 digit. Now suppose I am taking for 5 digit, I am taking a number. Okay, see 5 digit I have taken. Suppose I am taking here 5. I will divide with 5. Okay, so with single digit we are going, 5 is coming again in the table of 5. So what I will do? 5 1s are 5 minus 0. See, this steps should be there. First step, second step, your third, fourth, like this it goes on. Okay children? So 0. Now here 7 I have to take. 7 will come down. So again 7 is not coming in the table of 5. So smaller than 7, which numbers come? 5 1s are again I will take 5 minus. So here it comes 2. Then this 0 will come down. So 20. 20 is coming in the table of 5. Yes. So 5 4s is what? 5 4s is 20 minus 0 0. Now this 5 will come down again. Now again 5 1s is 5 minus 0. Then this 0 will also come down. Then 5 zeros is 0 minus 0 0. So your sum is completed. So what is your answer? Your answer is 11,410. Okay. So one last sum I will do. Suppose number I am taking, this number I have taken, and suppose I am writing 6 or suppose 7 I am taking. Okay. So what I have taken? 67,894 divided by 7. Okay. Now again we will go with our single digit 6. 6 is there. So here what is the difference? See, 6 is smaller than 7. So here 7 1s are 7 we can't take. So what we will do? We will take 7 zeros are 0. Okay. What I have taken? I have taken 7 zeros are 0. So here 6 will come down and this 7 we will take down. So now I got double digit number. Okay. I got 67. Now I will see 67 is coming in the table of 7 or not. So it is not coming. So smaller than 67 which comes? 7 9s are 63. So what we will take? 7 9s are 63 minus 7 minus 3 is your 4, then 0. Now this 8 will come down. Now what I have taken? 48. Now again we will see the table of 7. So 48 is not there in the table of 7. So smaller than 48 which number comes? 7 7 is 49. So 7 6 are what we will take? 7 6 are 42 we will take. Okay. So 8 minus 2 is your 6 0. Now this 9 will come down. Now what we got? We got 69. Again 69 is not there in your table of 7. So smaller than 69 you will take. Which number you will take then? 7 9s are 63 you will take. Okay. So 9 minus 3 is your 6. Then this 4 will come down. Okay. So what I got? 64. Again 64 is not in the table of 7. So smaller than 64 we will take. What you will take then? 7 9s is 63. Minus 4 minus 3 is 1 and 0. So here 1 is what? You got your remainder. Okay. And your quotient is 9699. Okay children, I hope you are clear with double digit divided by single digit, triple digit divided by single digit, 4 digit divided by single digit, then again 5 digit divided by single digit. I hope you are clear with the concept of division. Okay, same method goes for each and every digit. Suppose here 6 digit is also there, you can do the same method you have to do. If 7 digit is there, same method you have to do. Okay children, I hope you are clear with the method of division. Thank you.